what we're looking at here today is a Hunter Coastal Breeze Plus. So I got this fan off of OfferUp, and it is from the 23rd week of 2001. And I actually got this along with another fan that I'm not gonna say what it is because I'm probably gonna get some comments about it. So I got this fan for two reasons. One, I'm planning on installing this in my brother's bedroom to replace the fan that's in there currently. And the second reason I got this fan is because, well, it's a 44 inch. It's an older 44 inch Hunter, and those are pretty good fans. So when I got this fan originally, the seller told me that one of the sockets was broken, but that's no longer an issue because I fixed that. So this fan came pretty much 100% complete. The only things that aren't original are the pull chain fobs, which I added on myself. And as you might be able to see, the canopy ring is pretty yellowed, which, you know, really isn't surprising because this fan's over 20 years old now. But other than that, and the blades drooping just a little, the fan's in pretty good shape. Alright, now here's the light. And here's low. Alright, now here's medium. And it is wobbling quite a bit. But that might be due to how it's, you know, mounted, so. Now for high. And because it's a 44 inch Hunter, it's a pretty good air mover. Alright, and there you have it. That is a Hunter Coastal Breeze Plus, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.